Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out so they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to find out what's inside and see what they sent us. Here we go. Oh man. Can't believe this month is almost over. Halloween is just around the corner. And then Santa Claus will be here shortly. We'll have Black Friday sales, Cyber Monday sales. So definitely check ahead of time. They got some going on right now, so we shall see what this is or who this is coming from. Syvio, I don't even know. It's something. Here we go. Another box gone. Here we go. Ooh. Now this would be a nice little thing. Boom. Syvio. Oops. I'm on a phone. There we go. Almost had it. There we go. Food chopper. Chop, chop. Chop, chop time. Chop some onions. Chop your veggies. This has it all. Body motor unit. Speed 1 and 2. Silicone ring. Glass bowl. 4 layers of blades. Ooh, so be careful. You gotta be sharp. You don't want to hurt yourself. Especially during the holiday season. You don't want no blood and guts over the turkey. No, no, no. That's beforehand. So here we go, guys. Syvio. Let's see what this is all about. Cut here. Bam. Or you can press it down. Oh, come on. Oh, there's a couple on the side. Snip. Snip. There we go. And another one. Bites the dust. Total of 3 stickers to cut. Oh boy. Yeah. Disassemble the blade sets as below. Oh man. That's always fun time. Food chopper. Chopper style. Here's the lid. But yeah, definitely this would be great for the holidays. Having one of these around. Do your food preps and whatnot. Is it bigger? Or is this about the same size? I don't know. Alright. Here's the blades. Okay, they got blade protectors on for a glass bowl. See, it has a label. And it has a blade protection on, so that's a good thing. But definitely be careful while taking out the blade protection. And like I said, you don't want to cut yourself. Gotta be safe. And now this one is for the stainless steel bowl. That's that. Okay. Here's some kind of rubber sealer. How it goes around this. Ooh, this is a nice size. I would have watched it just in case. Sus 304. Meet Max. So there's a Max line. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. That to the side. Now it's time to put the glass bowl out. Oh yeah, it's definitely glass. Make sure you don't drop it. Be careful. Hopefully I don't drop it. Got another one of these. I'll keep it together. It's a nice little fancy dancy. There's a glass bowl. Go. Nice and easy, yo. And now, this must be the motor. It has a power cord to it. Got everything is out of the box. So, let me seal this bad boy up. Okay, so this is to put your stuff in here when you're done. And that's what the sealer is for, and the other lid. Alright, because I saw it on the picture back here. See how it has that one, probably this one. Yeah, that fits perfect right on top. There we go. Right on top. Like that. And now we just gotta put this motor. Got the cord, pretty good size. Syvio. Got speed 1, speed 2. Pretty simple. Got the bottom. So we're about to have some fun. Do a quick install. And I'll be back. Have it all set up. And we got some onions I'm going to chop up for you guys tonight. And that's about it for this video. So definitely check them out. Syvio. Gotta put it on. Second speed. Oh. Wow. Oh, these are like McDonald's chopped up. Alright. Just be careful, the blades are sharp. I did cut myself right in there. So, it happens, you know? That's why I don't be in the kitchen too often. I don't want to get injured. But yeah, chopped up. Really good. I mean, I haven't done the meat one yet. Probably wait till the holidays for that. But super good. Alright, check them out, guys. It worked. Syvio. Link will be down below. Get it now. Be safe. Have a good night.